Chance from the set piece. It was floated in by Ilicic and off the head of Brozovic.
I think that sort of speculation always affects some of the players. Some of the players will be happy. You know, players who are out of favour at the moment will be happy if there's a chance that Paulo Sousa is going to move on, and others will be very disappointed. So it's always going to have an effect.
She thinks this is behind the telly.
Rodriguez. Set in field here towards Kalinic. Kondogbia.
Look how big she is. If I put this on YouTube, I hope the football players don't watch it.
Just to let you know tonight that we have the European Football Show Extra on BT Sport 1 at 10 o'clock. Presented as ever by James Richardson. They'll be taking a look at the best up-and-coming young talent from across the continent tonight. Should be a really good show there. Plenty of players to talk about. Another chance as well to see Inter in action.